MonsterAR partnered with Reed Panorama to provide contents such as games, augmented reality photobooth, and interactive software during the event. We presented technologies, for example, Who I Am, AR-based education game. In this game, the kids will be able to play and answer questions from the game by directing the cards to the camera and displayed AR from the answers. Also, there was AR Superhero, a superhero AR photobooth application that allowed the children to use AR superhero masks, then had their pictures taken along with the mask.